Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Super Silver the Hedgehog. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Super Silver, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down. And I'm going to curve this back to here. Next, I'm going to make another line that's going to go down. We're going to come up and then back here. I'm going to make a little oval shape for the nose, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving it a little bit white. Then let's bring this line down and then up here. And we'll do the same thing, kind of bring this down and up. I'm going to make this line come out a little farther, and then I'm going to bring this down for the eye, and then I'll add a second little line here. Do that same thing here. I'll bring this up and then add a second little line. I'm going to make a little half oval shape here, and then a little bit bigger one here. Then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a tiny bit white for just a little reflection in the eye. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line down, and then I want to bring it up to here. For the actual mouth, I'm going to bring this line up and around, and then we're going to come back to here. And let's draw a little line here. Now I'm going to bring a line up for the side of the head. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out to a point and then up. I'll make one that's going to curve up here and then it's going to come down. We'll bring one up here and then down. And then one here to a point and down. Then I'm going to make a nice long one out here and bring it this way. For the ears, I'm going to make a little point here, and then we'll do another one over here. Just come out and then in. Then let's make a smaller little triangle shape right inside of here. Now, starting up here, we're going to make a big spike back here that I'm going to curve up and bring right down towards the head. I'm going to make a little line here and a little line right there for the eyebrows. Now for the chest, let's make a couple little points that are going to come down. And we'll do that same thing over here and connect. Let's make a line down. I'm going to go down and then straight down. Let's curve it for the leg and bring it up. And then we're going to come over to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, curve around, and then come up to here. Then let's bring this line up. And then we're going to go ahead and make this hand and arm, but I want to make this hand kind of big, like it's coming at us, and we're going to draw that first, and we can finish off the arm. So let's begin with the thumb. We're going to make it a little bit bigger, and we're just going to curve this line around like this. I'm going to bring this line up and then down here. Another one around here. We'll make this finger a little bit lower, and then we'll finish off with the pinky right here. And then I like to draw this little line here just to kind of help separate the fingers from the hand. Then we're going to curve a line down and then one here to kind of finish off the hand. Then we'll make two lines that come up and we'll put a nice big circle in here and a smaller one inside here for the detail. Let's curve this down to here, and then make 2 lines up for his bracelet. Now we can make 1 and then 2 lines for the arm. Now over here, let's start with this hand first. We're not going to make it as big as this one because it's going to be farther back. So we're just going to begin with a curved line. Then to make the fingers, let's curve this around. We'll make one that goes up and down, and then a little bit smaller one here. Let's curve this down and then bring it up. And we'll make a small bump on the top for the thumb. Then let's go with 1 curved line. We're going to go over, curve up, and then connect it. Let's make 1 and then 2 circles on the hand. And then let's make 2 lines up here. I'm going to go down and up, over, and then up here. Now let's work on his feet. Let's start with an oval shape around here. Then I'm going to go down and down. Next, let's make a little curve here. And then we can make 2 small curves right here. Now for the shoe, let's bring this line down, and we'll curve it around. Then let's bring it up here and connect. We'll draw a line across the bottom. And make a line here for the front. Then let's make 2 lines that come up. And then a little line across. Now for this one, let's make another oval shape for the top. 2 lines down and then connect. Then 2 curved lines across for a little bit of detail. Then we'll just go down, curve around, and bring it up. Let's make a line for the sole. Then we're going to make a line across here. And then 2 lines here with a small line across. And there you go, there is your drawing of Super Silver. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.